Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, sat sri akal, good morning to everybody. We got 3 packets of work permits today from Poland. These are the Poland work permits. Plenty of them have come to SIAS group, and I would like to start with the first packet. These are the brand new ones which have come. So, just letting you the names of the people who have come. These are truck drivers. Specifically, we have opened for truck drivers in Poland. So the names are Majar Singh, Manpreet Singh, Sahib Singh, Ranjit Singh, Arun Kumar Bhosle, Hamid Majid from Pakistan, the first all from India, Babar Afraz from Pakistan, Manikanta Tupakala from India, Gurjeet Singh from India, Malazam Hussain from Pakistan, Abdul Wahid Muhammad Ashik from Pakistan, Jasveer Singh from India, factory workers, Satnam Singh from India, Ranjit Singh from India, Muhammad Yasin from Pakistan, Harpal Singh from India, Harpreet Singh from India, Baljit Singh Sandhu from India, Swaran Singh from India. Bus drivers, please be aware that we are looking for bus drivers whose driving license is prior to September 2008, which is a requirement for Europe. After that also they can apply, but those applying before 2008 September will get their bus driving licenses in Europe within 1 week. Nishan Singh from India, Gurpreet Singh Rai from India, Palvinder Singh, Muhammad Nadeem, Ajay Pal Singh, Sukhjinder Singh and Prince Pal Singh. These are the second batch. Third batch, factory workers, Bilal Hussain Sayyed, Buddhadev Nath, Vishnu Panta, Govinda Das from Bangladesh, Vishnu Panta was from Nepal, Gurmit Kumar, Gurminder Singh, Gurpreet Singh, India again, 2 Gurpreet Singhs, Jaychand from India, Jaswant Singh Sindhu, Jaswinder Singh. We have Bhupinder Singh from India, Balakrishna Kasarapu from India, Ajay from India, Ajay Kumar from India, Aman Pal Singh from India, Ashok Kumar from India, Dhan Bahadur Khadka from Nepal, Dhanesh Arjunan from India, Ravi Kumar from India. Guys, more than 60 work permits have come. Keep watching our videos because we are about to start 2 new countries. In fact, 3. We are going to start Slovakia, we are going to start Bulgaria, and we are going to start Czech Republic soon. So keep watching the videos for latest updates. Thank you.